I'm Amy and I'm here to show you the Create Group action item in a budget. Let's get started. Inside the working budget to the right, there's the Actions area. Create Group is the second item down. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. What this allows you to do is create your own group. Now your budget is automatically going to be grouped together by fund, by department. If you have categories, it'll be grouped by categories. So all of those groupings are there. But if you have a special type of grouping or some accounts that you would like customized to your own group, then all you have to do is put into the description the name that you wish to have. You can filter your accounts however you would like, and then you can get your working amounts to show up here. Once you have your group the way you want, you just click Save, and then you have your own customized group. I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. If you need any assistance with this feature or anything else with the budget, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to support you. Our phone number is 806-794-3278, or our email address is fastsupport@fastsw.com. Thank you.